What's up, guys? Thanks a lot for your responses to my last video. I had a lot of pent-up stoke over the winter. I finally had a chance to let some of that out. Today I'm taking it a little bit easier. The plan is to ride some natural spots.
When I walk beside her, I am the better man. When I look to leave her, I always stagger back again. Once
I've ridden this spot before. It's in one of my most popular videos, the robot video, You Cool Man? And I hop over the railing here. Check this out. There's a little rail gap. I'm pretty stoked on that.
Mercy at my feet. When I see her pin her charm, she just throws it back at me. Once I dug in her grave to find a better land. She just smiled and laughed at me and took her blues back again.
It's nice to just relax, get out there for a ride.
That river, she is comfort by my side. When I try to understand, she just opens up her hands.
That is a big hop. I'd like to get this manual 180 just for you, Duncan. You're the king of manuals.
I stood to lose her when I saw what I had done. Bound down and threw away the hours of her garden and her son. So
this was where I wanted to ride originally, before I found all that stuff to start. On top of this cliff here. The cliffs around here, it's Canadian Shield, and they give you these big flat areas to ride on. So I'm hoping that right behind me here, there'll be a few lines. And you know what? It is beautiful scenery up here. You can see the anchors for the climbers behind me there. Let's get some riding in. Yeah. Took me a long time, and at the time I landed it, I forgot to let go of the brake, so I had to switch the cranks backwards and then switch foot. I wanted a nice rollout. I was going right for a treat. I've been walking around for a little while and finding lots of awesome comp lines, but nothing that is really drawing my attention, especially when I'm riding this street rig here. That could be the end of the video. It was a bit of a break for me from trying to film street stuff for the last few weeks, and yeah, it's nice to get out in the woods again. See you next time.